Open the glove box. Unhook the dampener arm. Push in on both sides of the glove box to release the stops. Remove the bolt securing the filter housing door. This model we were filming was missing the bolts. Unclip both sides of the housing cover to remove it. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1223C filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the housing cover. Reinstall the bolts. Reinstall the glove box by relatching the hinges. Some carefully applied pressure on the base sides will have it click into place. Partially close the glove box to re-engage the stops. Reinstall the dampener arm. Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.